guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah here, and I thought I would jump on today and show you this card that I've been making. Now today is my niece's 12th birthday, and I'm in an hour about what to make her, what card to make her for her birthday. I always like to do something a little bit special for the younger kids in the family. And I went on to RareRoo to see what they'd got on there, because I just didn't really feel like colouring particularly today. And I bought this decoupage set, so the mermaid in the background. And it came, you just printed it off and then cut out the various different layers, and then you can obviously decoupage it to pop it all up. So if I pop it on its side there, you can see the amount of dimension that's in this card. So obviously, you know, it's a little bit time consuming because you cut each individual layer out, and you can see there all the beautiful glitter that I've put on. So I've used the Spectrum Noir sparkle glitter pens. I've used a purple one on a headband, which was a purpley colour anyway, and then just the clear overlay on her tail and also on the water on the bottom here. Now I had some stickers in my stash that are like chipboard, white glittery chipboard. You can see the shine on those, and obviously I've spelt out her name and just popped her age there. This was a little sticker, came in a set from the pound shop. I've just changed the little bling pieces on the end so that it matches in with the theme of the project. I've then added lots of different sequins and some of the little like glass cabochons to look like bubbles up and down the card. And on the bottom here, I don't know if you can, yeah, you can just about see that there. I've made it look like sea foam all along the bottom here, and I've done that by adding a few different layers. So I started off with some hot glue and I put some fake snow in the bottom there, and then I went over it with some tacky glue and sprinkled some very, very fine glimmer dust glitter on top of that. And then once that had dried, I went over it again with the PVA, and I think you can just see there the tiny little micro beads, the nail caviar in the clear that I've popped on the top of that, and I think that looks really quite effective. I'm really pleased with that. And then on the bottom we've got this bit, so obviously we've got the pom-pom trim that I've popped down to use as the stopper to hold the card in place, and then we've got some of these lovely shells that I made using a mould and some paper clay, and then I've just painted them all with some, I think I did it with acrylics, just some watered down acrylics, and I've added those on, and again I've added some of those micro beads so it looks like the sea foam washing up and washing the shells up onto the shore. I've got some of this lovely, this is like foiled background paper that looks like waves, and that came from a big 12 by 12 pad that I think I got in the range. Then I've added on some of these little starfish that came from AliExpress, and some little pearls dotted all around the shells. And then obviously it's an easel card, and then on the back of that, because I've joined two pieces of card to make this easel card because it's quite big, it's 8 by 8. So to cover up where the join is, I made this little border strip using the same paper that's on the bottom here, on the bottom panel, and I've put one of my little signs on there, and then I'll get one of the kids later on to just write on there a little birthday message to her. So yeah, that's it. That's the little card that I've been making today. I have printed off, because you had to spend £5 on RareRoo. So I have printed off a few other kits that I thought might come in handy for birthday cards to see me through the rest of this year. It's the first time I've used RareRoo. It's been one of those that I kept meaning to try and never quite got round to, but I'm really glad that I gave it a go because, yeah, I'm really liking the how it printed out. This is just printed on cheap white card from the range, just the pack of card that you get, you know, it's about that's £3-4 I think for a big pack. I've not printed it on anything special. I have got the HP instant ink, so I was able to print all of it on the high quality, best quality colour printing that you can do, because obviously the HP instant ink works by how many pages you print, not how much ink you use. So it's really good when you're wanting to print things like this where you're using lots and lots of colour. I don't worry about it now, and as soon as my ink cartridge starts to get low, they'll just pop me another one in the post. And I think at the moment I think I pay £3 a month, and I can print up to 50 pages a month for that. And it does roll over for a month or two as well. So if you don't use them all 1 month, you know, it sort of rolls over. So I'd got as much rollover as I could have. So I thought, well, I might as well print a load of this off, because I'm just going to lose that ink if I don't print it off soon. So yeah, that's what I've been making today. So I hope that you've enjoyed having a quick look at my project for today, and seeing a bit of my craft room in the background there, I've just noticed. It's been a fun crafty day today, because it's chucking it down here, so I've had to jump on really quick while the rain's just settled off for a little bit. We're expecting more rain tonight and into tomorrow. Unfortunately, I am in Midlands, North Midlands, which is where we are really badly hit in Derbyshire and South Yorkshire at the moment. So yeah, lots of flooding in surrounding areas. So it is limiting when I can film, unfortunately. So I am filming in the evening, so the light's not quite so good. Anyway, I'm rambling. So thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate everybody that has subscribed to my channel, and I hope that this gives you a little bit of inspiration. And yeah, thumbs up if you liked it, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so, and click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified every time I upload. I don't normally ramble this much. Yeah, just having one of those days. Anyway, thanks everyone. See you soon. Bye.